Hey guys, welcome back. So trying another car from the Swarm Pack. So this time the C5 Z06 Corvette. So this is another car I really know not much about. I assume it is powered by some form of LS variant motor. It does make 491 wheel horsepower, 590 newton meters, and comes in at just under 1500 kilos. But if you have a look at the chart, it has a pretty nice power delivery. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, so in the Corvette, I guess it's correct for a Corvette, but for me, wrong side of the car. Oh, it's a roll cage. There's a gap between the roll cage and the A-pillar. It's got a nice little nardy. So I'm back giving Nishi a go. So there was a Matsuri on recently, and just after watching some videos from that, wanted to jump back into Nishi and give that a go. No rear seats in the Corvette, so nothing behind me. Alright, so I can hit rev limiter with this without wrecking the motor by the look of it. I can actually see where the power windows are in this car. Alright, so the top, just third gear. Ooh, a bit too far. But can definitely, I'm gonna stuff that up. Definitely the torque of this motor helps you fix your mistakes. Alright, so let's try that again. Third. Oh, cut the ripple strip. Cut the white line. Flip it back around. That wasn't a bad lap. This car is modeled very nicely on the inside. I do like the dashes that are just the factory car dashes. Just hold it flat in third. Even can see the aircon controls. But the V8 definitely just makes this easy to drive. So, third again. Too much angle. Shouldn't really have to clutch kick this. Definitely should have the torque. Oh, wasn't paying attention, I was looking at the mirror. Alright. 3. Just holding down the straight. Yeah, definitely like the V8. Alright, might just go, I'm curious. Hopefully these aren't solid. No, they're not good. Alright, I think from memory the straight's down here. So I'm just in 5th. That's on the wrong side of the track. I wanted to see the power band of the kind of V8. I don't know if the straight is going to be long enough. Alright, let's go fourth. 2, 3, 4. 7,000 RPM limit. Feels very linear. But with that, I'm going to change over to the Kunos drift track. Alright, so we set the camera. So on the Kunos drift track, just like I said before, for the handling side of it. Alright, so third. So I have found from Nishi, this does, I don't know, it seems to transition slowly. Maybe that's the best way to describe it. It's fairly easy to catch the slides. Don't know if that's a longer wheelbase thing or how they've got the inertia of the car set up. And the V8 definitely can save sloppy driving. No clutch kicks. Just use the torque of it. Up over the top of the donut section. Try and get it out to the tires. Alright, fourth. Either didn't have enough speed or it doesn't have enough go in fourth. Oh, thought I cooked the gearbox in. And on the grass. Fourth. Keep it off the grass. Gotta keep it off the tires as well. Still can't do 360s. Alright, let's go the other way. It is a very nice handling car. Compared to the BMW is nice handling too, to be honest, but trying to talk about how easy this is to drift. And I'm definitely was showing it in those last couple corners. Alright, back to third. Just keep it going. Through this bottom section, this should have enough power if I get this right. To try and just keep this going. No, well, it would have, but I didn't get it correct. So I had to use handbrake. Just keep it going in third. Try to keep it off limiter. Back the other way. See if we can get it out to the wall without hitting it. No, I was a bit far off it then. Alright, can I get fourth to the outside here? Nope. I'll have to retry that. Alright, fourth here. Slide off the track. Let's redo the outside, shall we? No sunroof on this car, so I can't watch the grass going over the roof. I don't know why that effect gets me. It's a reminder you're stuffed up. Out to the wall, that felt a lot closer. Fourth. I'm gonna. I stuffed that up again. And there's my reminder that I stuffed up. Alright, fourth. Third. Try and push the car where I want it. Not gonna get close to the wall. Alright, I'm just gonna keep third this time. There we go, that's better. Alright, fourth, clutch kick. Nope. Even reminders on the side of the car. Just looking, they've even modelled the aircon vent, look like you can see down it. It's a Corvette. V8's awesome. Even though I'm a JDM guy with turbos, the V8 is just easy to drive with the torque. The handling is different, like I said. It almost, I guess the best way to describe it, it feels like it's slow on transitions. And like the car is modelled well, the interior. That gear knob looks very old school though. I actually don't even know how old this car is, how old a C5 is. But with that, excuse me, with that, thanks for watching, guys.